Welcome back to part 2 of our London walking tour. We pick up our journey at the Millennium Bridge, crossing over to the vibrant South Bank. Once a power station, the Tate Modern now stands as a temple to contemporary art, its presence as bold as the works it houses. The atmosphere here is electric, a place where history and modern creativity flow together along the river's edge. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Just steps away, the Globe Theatre reminds us of London's deep literary roots, where Shakespeare's words first echoed for the masses. Tucked into the historic docklands, we find the Golden Hind, a stunning reminder of the city's age of exploration. Southwark Cathedral offers a moment of peace, standing since the 13th century amidst the city's constant motion. We take a brief detour into Borough Market, a haven for food lovers that has served Londoners for over 1,000 years. Returning to the river, the path leads us past some of the city's greatest cultural institutions. The Oxo Tower stands as a landmark of industrial design, now home to galleries and boutiques. Gabriel's Wharf brings a splash of color and a relaxed, creative vibe to the riverbank. From Waterloo Bridge, often called the Bridge of Sighs, we get one of the best panoramas of the city. The brutalist concrete of the National Theatre is an architectural icon, a stage for the nation's stories. The legendary skate park beneath the South Bank Center shows the city's raw, living culture in every spray-painted corner. And then, the London Eye appears, a giant wheel that has become a defining symbol of the modern skyline. From here, you get a sense of the sheer scale of this engineering marvel, carrying visitors high above the Thames. Adjacent to the Eye, the Edwardian splendor of County Hall reminds us of London's administrative history. We now step onto Westminster Bridge, perhaps the most iconic crossing in the world. There it is, Big Ben. Its chimes are the heartbeat of the United Kingdom, standing tall over the Palace of Westminster. As the river flows beneath us, we are surrounded by the history of British democracy and power. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Join us in part 3 as we head into the heart of Westminster.